Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The 10th day of the last month in the Islamic calendar is celebrated by Muslims all over the world as a festival of sacrifice. It marks the end of the annual pilgrimage of Muslims to Mecca, with Muslims praying to celebrate the happy occasion. It is celebrated with gifts for children and the distribution of meat to the needy and at social gatherings. Muslims exchange the greetings Eid Mubarak, meaning blessed Eid. It is the commemoration of the sacrifice of Prophet Ismael by his father Prophet Ibrahim. Ismael was not only a son for his father, but the result of his whole life's prayers and dreams. He was then the only son of a very old father. Prophet Ibrahim was asked to sacrifice his son. He had a dream where Allah asked him to sacrifice his son Ismail. Shaitan tried to stop him by putting his love for his son above his love of Allah. The love of Ismail was a test for Prophet Ibrahim. After he dreamt this, he told his son about it, who said, "Father, do as you are instructed. I will follow Allah's command." After blindfolding himself and his son and laying him down, Prophet Ibrahim put a knife to Ismail's throat, ready to sacrifice him, but a sheep miraculously appeared in his place instead. Allah had accepted his love and his total submission. All the rituals of the Hajj are associated with the family of Prophet Ibrahim. The Hajj ends with us reminding ourselves of the great sacrifice. When Muslims sacrifice an animal on Eid, they remembered the sacrifices of Ismail and the Prophet Ibrahim's noble courage when he put his love for his Lord above his beloved son, putting Allah's pleasure above all else.